Navigating the Burgernziel Roundabout in Bern can be tricky due to the complex intersection layout. To drive safely and efficiently through the roundabout, follow these steps. Approach the roundabout at a slow speed and watch for signs and road markings that indicate which lane you should be in. If you're unsure, it's best to stay in the right lane and you can always exit the roundabout and try again. Keep an eye out for the tram line that runs through the roundabout, and be sure to yield to any trams that are approaching. Look for the traffic lights. You may have to stop within the roundabout to give way to a bus or tram. Keep an eye out for pedestrians and cyclists who may be using the crosswalks or bike lanes at the roundabout. Follow the road markings and arrows, which will guide you around the roundabout. Keep to the right if you plan to take the first or second exit, and to the left if you plan to take the third or fourth exit. Finally, signal right and exit the roundabout and make sure that you check the blind spot before you are leaving. Be prepared to stop at the traffic lights again, if necessary. Remember to drive defensively and stay alert at all times. Ready to become a confident and safe driver. Learn from the best at driving school. Stefan. As the sole instructor, I offer personalized, one-on-one lessons that are tailored to your specific needs and learning style. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your driving skills, I'm here to help you succeed. With flexible scheduling and competitive rates, you can feel confident that you're getting the best value for your money. Contact Driving School Stefan today to schedule your first lesson and start your journey towards becoming a licensed driver.